guys, we are here at TGI Fridays Ayala. We are going to try their 375 all yours all day. First three? Tador ng free. Yes. I'm having 6 spices chicken. Trying out Caesar salad. Go, lami ba ka rin? Lami. Lami. Nabusog ka?
Ayo dahil. Busog kayo. Hindi ako manihan ko.
Ikaw, nabusog ka? Sabay ka na magkaon. Free dessert. Ice cream cake. Dami ah. Mama.
Ay, lang na.
Thank you.